Hi, welcome to another episode of Garry's School of Campsite Cooking. In this series of videos I'll show you some of the meals that I like to cook while on the road. We're in the Isle of Wight today, and today we're going to cook Chorizo Hash. So we've got some chorizo, might be a bit ambitious with that amount, garlic, potatoes, onion, couple of eggs and some olive oil. So as normal I'll get on and chop it up and then come back to you. Right, well that's all the potatoes cut. As you can see, I always cut them fairly small. They just cook a lot quicker, and to be honest, in this dish it goes quite well. So we'll give them we'll add some water and then we'll put them on the hob and cook those till they're tender. Right. While they're cooking over there, we'll chop the onion, chorizo and the garlic. Right, well we've cut the garlic up as well as the onion. I'll cut the chorizo in a minute. Right, I just need to remove. I've had to put the cooker a bit over there. It's rather windy. Well, it's always windy here on the Isle of Wight, but it seems to be a bit worse than normal, so that was the best place to put the cooker. So we're still waiting for the potatoes, and they're not done yet. They've only been on for a minute or two, so, or rather been boiling for a minute or two, so we'll leave that, and well, we'll come back once they're cooked. Right, well the gas has run out and this keeps blowing out, but I think, yeah, they are, yep, right, they're cooked, so let's turn that off for a minute. Right, I need to drain them, so I'm going to turn you off and move you, and I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, so we've drained the potatoes. We'll put the olive oil on to warm up now. Right, let that warm up, and then we shall we'll fry our onion and garlic. So that's not warmed yet. That's fine. It'll be okay. Right. Let's fry that. Right. While that's frying, I shall chop the chorizo up. Let's give those onions a little stir, or rather the onions and garlic. Right, we'll fry those until they're soft and I shall come back to you. Right, well the onions have softened sufficiently and the garlic, so we'll add the it's not that way, the chorizo. And we'll fry that for a few minutes just so all the juices come out of the chorizo. I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes maybe, who knows. I usually wait until I see a nice colour in there. Right. Right, there you go. Well, they've been cooking for a few minutes now. We can see all the oil has come out of the chorizo. So now we'll add our potatoes back in. Maybe not all. We'll see how it goes. Give that a stir. We might get them all in. Get some more in, I think. No, wind. Right. I think, to be honest, I cooked the potatoes a little bit too much because they're breaking up, but doesn't really matter. Right, what do you reckon? Yeah, we'll go for these ones. That one. Well, we did sort of get it right with our potato quantities. Right, I'm going to swap over to a spoon. Right, and so we mix that all around. Right, I think I should try and turn the heat down. Hopefully it won't blow out. Right, and we'll leave that all to cook together for 8 minutes or so. Right, oh, wrong lid. And then we'll come back to it. You might have noticed I'm drinking Heineken. For people who know me, Kronenbourg in the UK have dropped their gravity. I think it's 4.6 now. That's not worth bothering with anymore. So I'll say, well, I'm pretty certain it used to be. Well, it was 5, and I think before that it was 5.3. But now they've dropped it even further. So we're boycotting them now, and we're going to stick with, well, maybe Heineken. I don't know yet. We shall make a decision on that as we, well, whatever we can find. But it's not going to be Kronenbourg, that's for sure. Right, back to the cooking. I'll leave that to go for a few more minutes. Right, well, that's been cooking for a few minutes now, so I think what we'll do is give that a stir. Right, now what we'll do is we shall crack a couple of eggs on top. Oh, of course, the pan's not very level, is it? Right, so we'll leave that. Now, I would suggest that be brave and leave it for at least 3 or 4 minutes before you take the lid off. But yeah, well, as I say, we'll leave it for 3 minutes and then we'll take a look. Right, well, I've left that for, oh, look, well, there you go. I mean, the eggs could probably do with a bit longer. In fact, I shall turn it off and leave it just to cook in the steam for another minute or so. Right, well, there you go. Chorizo and potato hash with a couple of fried eggs on top.